All right, y'all, we got the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, 256. I picked this up at the Apple Store. I tried my best not to look at this color, but I saw a little bit, and my goodness, it is a bright phone. But let's do it. So again, here is the iPhone box. Of course, this is your usual Apple presentation. 1, 2. Okay. Look at that. Look how orange that is, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God, this orange is insane. I don't know, this color is crazy. Look at it. Actually holding this in the hands now. It is very comfortable, but we're gonna put this to the side. In the box, you just get your USB-C to USB-C cable, and then on the bottom of that, you get your quick start guide for iPhone. No Apple stickers, unfortunate. Okay, box right here. Now let's get to this bright orange phone. Oh my God. Here we go. The anti-reflective display was the first thing I wanted to see because my main phone is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Don't worry, I'm not going to title this as an Android user. Wow. So the anti-reflective display, I'm comparing the two. Here's my light. Here's the light source. I'm hoping you guys can see it, but I can see that it has an anti-reflective glare, but not to the degree that the S25 Ultra for sure. But it's not nearly to the level of the S25 Ultra. Anyway, here's the phone in this bright orange. And I didn't notice this, but some attention to detail, when you pull this sleeve off, it's also orange on the buttons. So that's kind of cool. I wanted to give you guys my first impressions holding this. This feels way more comfortable. Way more comfortable, 100%. I skipped the iPhone 16, if you guys don't know. I skipped it entirely. I had it for a short time, but I just was very let down. There wasn't really too much difference between the 15 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max, so I just stuck with the 15. I was using that alongside with my S25 Ultra every now and then. I flip between those and phones that I'll be reviewing. Just the color alone is really drawing me to it because I love orange. It's so different. It's different from what Apple ever does with their Pro series phones. To see this super bright phone in person is dope. First initial impressions, the fit and feel of this device. I'm telling you, this feels so much better than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Only because the S25 Ultra, it has 90-degree angles around the edges of the titanium, whereas this aluminum, it is a downgraded material, but the contours just fit so much better for your hands. Like, I don't feel like it's cutting into my fingers, the ridges of my fingers. This feels really good. This is the phone to get this year. I'm not gonna lie. This is the phone to get. In this for the next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be going through the cameras, the battery, so on and so forth, and then give you guys my review. But that's gonna be it. I have iPhone 17 and iPhone Air coming in on Monday, so expect an unboxing around next week for those two products. But aside from that, I'll catch you guys later in the next one.